Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will be diving into the exciting world of MAUI in C Sharp. We will explore what MAUI is, its benefits, and how it revolutionizes cross-platform app development. So let's get started. So before we dwell into MAUI, let's quickly understand what it is. MAUI stands for .NET Multi-Platform App UI. It is the next generation of Xamarin Forms, Microsoft's popular framework for cross-platform development. As you can see in the slide, the left-hand side is the Xamarin Xamarin logo, and the right-hand side is the .NET MAUI logo. Therefore, that's what it stands out for the cross-platform support. And let's let's try to understand why we are going for MAUI. So, what are the benefits of MAUI? So one of the important benefit is it provides an improved performance and the page loading speed. Whatever application that you're trying to develop, its load speed will be faster, and the it will be responsive. The whatever UI framework or the UI controls that you are trying to create, it will respond to a different screen size and resolution. It will adjust accordingly or scale accordingly. And the main highlight or the main showstopper is the shared code base for reduced development time and effort. Therefore, development time and effort will significantly reduce if you want to release your application in different platforms and in different for different devices, targeting for different devices, then MAUI will be an ideal candidate because we can leverage the shared code base to reduce our development time and effort. And as I said before, it is used for cross-platform development. Then an exciting aspect of MAUI is its integration with the C Sharp language and the extensive .NET ecosystem. As you all know, C Sharp is a powerful and versatile programming language that provides developers with a rich set of features for building robust applications. So, by leveraging the .NET ecosystem, you can gain access to a wide range of libraries and frameworks, such as Entity Framework for data access, ASP.NET for web integration, and Azure SDK for cloud services. Those frameworks are available with C Sharp and .NET. Therefore, that will be much more helpful in kind of adapting to MAUI and developing applications using MAUI. Therefore, developers can leverage the rich tooling and IDS support and debugging capabilities provided by the .NET ecosystem. If someone is familiar with the C Sharp syntax, then he can easily adapt or he can easily go on creating an application in MAUI using that MAUI framework or library. For because we are writing in C Sharp, there are extensive documentation and community support available, which will help to fasten our development cycles uh, and we can reduce our effort and time required for troubleshooting any issues. So, to wrap up, MAUI in C Sharp is a game changer for cross platform app development. Its benefits, including the improved performance and responsive design and the shared code base, makes it an excellent choice for developers aiming to create SEO friendly applications. Therefore, to begin with, you can create your first MAUI application. You can actually refer to this link, Microsoft link, which is has all the necessary documentation related to how you can get started with MAUI. So I will just give you a brief introduction about how you can set up MAUI in your Visual Studio. Special note here, therefore, MAUI is supported from Visual Studio 2022 17.4 version onwards. So you need to have Visual Studio 2022 at least Community Edition installed in your laptop. If, as you can see in the Visual Studio Community Edition, you can do modify, and what you can do is you can go to the workloads, and here there will be in desktop or mobile section there will be a thing for .NET multi-platform app UI development. For this, once you have already installed that particular package, if you don't have this package, you check this thing, and around 12 GB around size is required to be available in your device, and you can do install. And once it is installed, you can actually start with developing application in MAUI. So you can do go to new project, and in the template you can go for MAUI, search for MAUI, and it will list the .NET MAUI application. So there are different flavors of it. One's application flavor is that you can generate a class library, MAUI class library, and Blazor app support is also there. First, you can select a MAUI app, and as you create any other application like console application, you can go ahead and create this MAUI application. Therefore, a detailed video of how you will create your first MAUI application will follow this video. So please check out in the in this particular channel for the upcoming videos. So we have seen so how what are the benefits of MAUI and why it is used and why is it becoming so popular. So to get more resources, please do share your support by subscribing to the channel. And please, if you have any questions and doubts, please post it in the comment section. And do check out in the description box for many useful links related to many useful resource links related to this MAUI and other things. And thanks all for joining in. See you in the next video.